Hello everyone, welcome to Manukri. My name is Linda and today I just want to talk to you about two future projects that I'm going to be doing. The first one I am super excited to do. I have been wanting to do one of Stephen West's mystery knit-alongs. Sorry guys, my mind went elsewhere. And this year it's called Twists and Turns. Well, if you know me, I love cables, and when I found out that cable needle was turned, and I kind of had when he said it's called a Twist and Turns mystery knit-along, I thought I have just got to do this. I really have got to do this. I love working with cables. I think the second sweater I made was a cardigan and it was all cables, and I just love cables. I just had to do this. So as you know, I went to Yarndale in Skipton, specifically looking for yarn for this mystery knit-along, and I went to Botanical Yarns, and you needed 2 skeins of the main colour, 2 skeins of contrast, and you needed 1 as a pop. Now I love autumn colours. Yeah, I love purple, that's my favourite colour, but I wanted something autumnal. Anyway, I went to Botanical Yarns, and Sophie had actually put packs together. She'd had a beautiful one with purples, but I didn't want one with purples. I wanted autumnal colours, and when I saw this pack, blew my mind. So I'll show you the yarn. So this is my main colour, this is my contrast, and this is my pop of colour. And I got a really good price, and it's from Botanical Yarns. I will put the link to Stephen West's YouTube channel, where he's done introduction videos and how colours and whatever, and tells you what you need. And so this is a super wash 75% merino. It's a 4-ply, which I do believe is a finger weight. There's 425 meters, which I've got plenty of, and this one is called Rubeckia Gold Star, and it's so soft guys. Really like that colour. Then this one has got a little bit of the gold in it, and this one is called, obviously, oh, there's no name on this one, but this is the contrast to go with this, so you can see the colours. I didn't want I just wanted a pop of colour. And then this one is my pop of colour, guys, and this is again super 75% merino, 25% nylon, and again there's no name on this one either, but don't you think those colours will look amazing together? Now it says a 3.5mm circular knitting needle with 100cm wire, you know, but I know my knitting and I know my tension, so I've gone up to 3.75, and that's just because I know my own tension. So I've got my Knit Pro, and you all know I love my Symphony Knit Pro needles, so I've got my knitting needles. And I've got 2 types of, you need cable needles. Now there's 2 types out there. There's the straight one, but there's also this one that's got a hook on it, you know, kind of like it's got a bend. And I kind of switch between the 2, and I've checked them and they're both the same size. So I've got 2 just in case, you know, I'll decide on the day when I'm going to do it. You need a tapestry needle, and stitch markers. So I've got my tin as stitch markers, and my tapestry needle is in there as well, and I've just dropped a thingy. So, and then of course I've got a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. And they're all going in my lovely new bag by Trendling Woman. I think it's called Trendling Woman, is it? Looks like a T. Treadling, yeah, it is. It's a Treadling Woman. So, which is I bought at Skipton as well, and it's got a nice little handle. So yeah, and let me see, this come with it, and yeah, WestKnits Make Along Botanical. So yeah, so I am so excited. So I need to, it starts on the 6th of October. As I said, I'll put the links below to Stephen West. If you've not heard of Stephen West, he's an amazing designer, guys, amazing. I'm only new to finding Stephen West, and his shawls are a work of art, guys. And you know Gina, my lovely Gina from Knitting Turnpike, she does it every year, and she's an amazing knitter too, and I believe she's doing it as well. So I can't wait to see what colours Gina has picked. And yeah, and I'll put Gina's channel link below as well. And yeah, so what do you think, guys? What do you think? I love autumn, and I think they will suit me. The colours will suit me down to the ground. So yeah, I'm dead excited for the 6th. And in fact, this video goes live on the 6th. So, you know, on that day, I'll be dead excited to make a start. But I need to hang all these up first. So that is future project number 1. And yeah, Botanical Yarn, she's on Ravelry as well. So I'll put all the links to Sophie are in my description box below, and Stephen West's. The next project is I've not actually physically met them. I did a search on YouTube for UK podcasters, knitting podcasters, and I found Twinset and MKAL, which are Jo and Rachel. And again at Botanical Yarns, I know they work closely, and I've ordered a sock, a monthly sock pack, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. And so Sophie and Jo and Rachel have done a collaboration, and it's called the Sparkling Fountain Sweater, and this is it. And Sophie had the yarn, a yarn pack, and so what you need is 2 skeins of the this merino and nylon mix. So you need 2 of these, and I thought I'd just go nice, you know, because it's winter's coming and whatever, and you want something nice and bright and cheerful, don't you, guys? And you needed 3 of these. Now these are baby Surrey alpaca and 26% mulberry silk. And I needed, and these are 50 grams, these are 100 and these are 50 grams. So you work with them together, guys, to make this sweater. So I've got 3 of them, and I've got 2 of them. And in the green, it's got little flecks of darker green in it, and I'm so excited. So I've got the needle size. I've got my 4mm, I've got my 3.5mm, but I need to get another 3.5mm symphony, because I went to get it out of my bag and it's broken. So I'm going to have to sort that out. So yeah, so this was the sparkling fountain sweater from Botanical Yarns. Again, Botanical Yarns, all the descriptions of all the information will be in the description box below. So I'm really looking forward. I've never worked putting two yarns together before, guys, so it'll be interesting to see how it works up, and I can give you the, you know, my honest opinion on them once I start it. And again, so I need to skein these up, put these into cakes, and really like the colour. I think the colours, I'm really lucky, guys. I don't think there's a colour I don't really suit, but I really like, you know, because of my complexion and my dark hair, which I'm still surprised I've got dark hair. I thought I'd be grey by now, but obviously I'm not. I take after me dad. So yeah, so what do you think, guys? Which is your favourite? What are you doing the Stephen West knit along? Mystery knit along? If you are, let me know, and we can share idea, you know, share our thoughts and that, and I can't wait. I really cannot wait. I'm so excited, guys. I could crush a grape. So they're two future projects. I've still got quite a lot of projects, guys, but you know me, I need to have something different. But I can't tell you how excited I am to start these two future projects. And it won't be this week. This week, I'm actually recording this the week before it goes out, and that's the way I always work, guys. So this week I'm working on getting a few of my knitting projects as near to completion as I can. I'm still addicted to my socks. I've nearly finished my second pair of socks for September, and they'll be done before this video goes live, and you'll more than likely see them on the podcast. This goes live on the Thursday, on the podcast on the Sunday. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me. As you can see, I've got a bit of a frog in my throat. I'm battling a cold, and my throat is not the best at the moment. So I'm hoping by the time this goes live, I'll be fine, because I've got my live Wednesday before. So yeah, so excited, guys. Just want to thank everybody for all your support, for all your prayers. So much appreciated. Both Rick and I thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all your support, and thank you for playing my playlists as well, guys. I really do appreciate that. While I've taken time off to spend time with my dad and Rick, of course, as well. I needed to spend time with him too. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.